In ancient Greece, philosophers were concerned with explaining the universe and political issues, leading to new discoveries in medicine, astronomy, physics, politics, mathematics, and many other fields. Philosophers questioned the fundamental principles of the universe and existence, the nature of knowledge, right and wrong, good and evil. Many important philosophical movements emerged during this period. The origins of philosophy in ancient Greece were under the leadership of Thales. Thales was an important figure who initiated the discussions on determinism and indeterminism and based the basis of the universe on water. Anaximenes later developed this idea and based the universe on air. Anaximandros drew one of the first known maps of the world and laid the foundations for the idea of evolution. The Ionian Pythagoras had an important influence by starting the Pythagorean movement. In addition, Solon contributed to the development of democracy, and Socrates made important studies on political issues. Plato, a disciple of Socrates, put forward deep thoughts on politics and the origin of the universe. Aristotle, on the other hand, developed the theory that the universe is made up of 4 basic elements and put forward many views that remained valid for a long time. Ancient Greek philosophy also influenced the Roman period, and philosophical studies continued in Rome. Although some historians claim that Jesus was a philosopher, Jesus is considered a prophet in Islam and the Son of God in Christianity. Ancient Greek philosophy is generally divided into 3 main periods. The pre-Socratic period. In this period, philosophers questioned the fundamental principles of nature and the workings of the universe. Important figures such as Thales, Anaximander, Anaximenes, and Pythagoras focused on areas such as metaphysics and epistemology. After Socrates, Socrates was the first philosopher to focus on morality and ethics. His students, such as Plato and Aristotle, studied moral and ethical issues in depth. This period saw important developments in areas such as logic, political philosophy, metaphysics, and ethics. Hellenistic period. With the conquests of Alexander the Great, Greek philosophy interacted with other cultures. New philosophical movements such as Stoicism, Epicureanism, and Scepticism emerged, focusing on practical life and morality. Ancient Greek philosophy laid the foundations for Western civilization and philosophical thought. The ideas of the philosophers of this period are still debated today and contribute to the development of philosophical thought. We will continue to talk about the past, present, and future of philosophy. Stay tuned for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe.